In Chicago, there are streets underneath the streets. I go to this spot called Harold's. Everybody been saying, you gotta go to Harold's, you gotta go to Harold's. Fried catfish, man. It look like it's fried well. It look like that oil, though, is getting a little dark, right? In Chicago, there are streets underneath the streets. All right, what's this about? Run across the U.S. Hey family, today we're gonna go into Harold's Chicken, 612 South Wabash Avenue in Chicago. Let's see if Harold's is worth the hype.
So what is it that you want me? I'll pay for it.
Here we go, y'all, live in Chicago. This spot called Harold's. Everybody been saying, you gotta go to Harold's, you gotta go to Harold's. We here, man. I got some chicken and some catfish in the bag. And don't tell my doctor I got an orange soda. Let's check it out here at Harold's. So far, right? It's like I waited like almost 15 minutes for this, man. But let's check and see how it is here. There it is, y'all. Got that white bread, look like Wonder Bread. Got some French fries. I didn't know French fries came with it. That chicken look extra crispy, crunchy, man. Check it out. All right, I know a lot of people gonna be like, there's feathers on that chicken. You know, people be like, yo, there be feathers on your chicken. There be feathers on your chicken. And I got that fried catfish, man. It look like it's fried well. It look like that oil, though, is getting a little dark, right? When it started looking dark like that, that means the oil needs to be changed. You know, that's catfish. Look like whitefish, though. Catfish right there. Check it out. Check it out. And this right here is supposed to be a leg. The reason I got a wing in the leg because I thought the leg might be a little bigger. All of this was $14, was it? Y'all saw the menu. Look back, look at the menu. First of all, I'm gonna pull these feathers off. That's one feather, two feathers. Hard to get them off. Get that feather off. All right, I think I'm good. Let's go into this chicken first. Let's go into Harold's. Harold's chicken. Yo, this is really crispy. Hear that crunch? That's good chicken. It's nice and crunchy. The meat is flavorful, but is it Ambassador's flavorful? Not to me, that's barbecue sauce. And this one's the hot sauce. We're gonna mix the hot sauce. Oh, tastes like regular hot sauce. I'm gonna mix the hot sauce with the barbecue sauce. Like that. And then I'm gonna dip this chicken wing flat in there. Shake it around a little bit. Chicken is small like Ambassadors. Nice and crunchy. It did have some feathers on it, so I had to remove the feathers. It's good chicken, man. It's good fried chicken. Is it anything special? Nah. I can go to Popeyes and get this chicken. I know I'm getting down though, right? It's good chicken. I got white bread, y'all. Look at that oil in there. White bread ain't no good for us. Y'all know I talk about fries a lot because I'm not a French fry person. I didn't know fries was coming with this, but I'm gonna jump right to this fried catfish. All right, to the catfish. Nice and crispy and meaty. That's some good catfish. Ooh, it's hot. That's some real good catfish, y'all. I'm gonna get a catfish 2 thumbs up. If I could do it again, I wouldn't order the wings, just the catfish. There's a game on, people cheering the game. I'm gonna mix it with this hot sauce and the barbecue. That catfish tastes really fresh. The chicken wings were good. Whatever they dip in the fish in has a good flavor. Whatever the batter was for the chicken, it's not that flavorful. Hold up, let's try this chicken leg.
Let's go.
Here we go with the chicken leg. There's no flavor. I don't even want it. There's no flavor in that chicken. I mean, it tastes like chicken, but there's no seasonings in it. There's no seasoning. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. It's like they just took the chicken, cut it, put it in some flour or whatever, and just fried it. There was no seasoning in there to me. The catfish tastes like it's been seasoned. The chicken doesn't. Hey, what's up, brother? I ain't got it right now, man. I'm doing a video though. The catfish is the truth. The catfish is the truth. And it tastes fresh. The catfish is gonna get 2 thumbs up.
Come on,
They could take the chicken back. This your man, Matt DV. Love you, cut. See you at the next one. Peace.